Welcome! Now you have successfully activated FineReport Designer. Let's take a look at how to quickly generate a cool sales analysis dashboard. Click on its title, and another detailed report will pop up. Generate a new dashboard. Let's look at the Dataset section at the bottom left and add a DB query. Use SQL statements to query the sales volume data from the database. It looks like this. Then, back to the canvas. Let's design the main body of the dashboard. The report design elements, such as charts, widgets, and so forth, are displayed on the top. Let's drag in the column chart, pie chart, and KPI indicator that we need. Adjust them to the appropriate size. I want to set the report background to the same color as the KPI indicator. Then I should move to the Element Management section at the upper right. Click Body and fill the background color with that I selected in the Attribute Style settings below. Back to the canvas. Let's set up the charts one by one. The first is the column chart, which will show the sales volume of each salesperson on different product types. So I need to set the horizontal axis, which is the category axis, to salesperson. Product types are displayed on different columns, which are the series, and their size is the total sales volume of the same product type. Enter the title. I want to keep the color scheme of the chart consistent with the KPI indicator, so I need to set the series color to be Business Highlight. To look good on a dark blue background, I also need to set the color of the title, legend, and access labels to white. Next is the pie chart. It needs to show the percentage of sales of different products. Therefore, it doesn't require a category. I only need to set the series as the product and its size as the sum of the sales of the same product. Enter the title. The rest of the style setting is similar to that of the column chart. Then comes to the KPI indicator. The total sales volume of each salesperson will be dynamically displayed here. So we need this kind of setting. Adjust the color of the frame. The entire dashboard is completed. Oh, I forgot to have a title. Let's drag in the report block and adjust the size. Enter the title we want and adjust the format. don't forget to set it to white. If we wanted to jump to another report after click, we can move to the Hyperlink on the right panel to create a link to the web report. Getting started. Well done. Return to the dashboard and save it. Click on the dashboard preview method. Here it comes, a cool sales analysis dashboard. Click on its title, and another detailed report will pop up. Finally, we have multiple reports preset in the designer for your reference, such as check-in for city class, and Smart City. If you want to learn more about using FineReport, please enter our Learning Center from the Help menu bar, Help Document. You can find more tutorial videos here. If you have questions, you can search in our community. Or contact our technical support directly. Thanks for watching.